Welcome back. This is the shifter I wanted to show. Park, reverse, neutral, overdrive. We got third, we got second, go all the way down, in, there's first. Now we can come back up and go bang, second, third, overdrive, neutral, reverse, park. This is a custom shifter for the C10. This is the way the slice in it did look. As you can see, had to make the custom teeth into it the way it needed to be for the trans and how I'm going to be driving. So obviously beats paying $300, I'll tell you that, especially for doing just racing.